with my fellow Filipino friends, but you're welcome as well. Kung Pilipino ka ba or not Filipino, but Valdez is parang Filipino family name yan, hindi ba? Yeah, so welcome sa aking live. I am Brit Pinay. You can call me Brit. That is my name here in YouTube. That is also my name in TikTok, yung Brit Pinay. Yeah, but my real name is Jennifer. That's why Brit Pinay kasi British and Filipino senior cat. Akala nga nila Birit. Sabi nila Birit Pinay. Although, bumibirit din naman ako kasi manganganta din ako. I'm a singer. That is my profession for almost ilang years? 35. Sige, sige, sige. Bye, princess. Ay, nagpa-piano siya. Sige, sige. Nice to meet you, princess. Ay, nagpa-piano pala siya. Sige, sige. Ingat. Yes. I am a singer and that is my profession. That is my profession for almost 35 years and more. Nag-start ako 1988.